In today's video, I am going to teach you how to align objects in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to quickly line up shapes, text, and components so your designs look clean and professional. Without a lot of manual nudging, start by opening your design and selecting the objects you want to align. You can click and drag to marquee, select, or hold Shift and click multiple layers. With your selection active, look to the right-hand panel under the Design tab. You'll see a row of alignment icons. These handle both horizontal and vertical alignment. Use Align Left, Center, or Right to control the horizontal position of your selection. And use Align Top, Middle, or Bottom to line things up vertically. Figma aligns relative to your current selection or the parent frame. So what you pick determines the reference point. If you ever see unexpected movement, check which items you've included in the selection and whether they sit inside a frame. To speed things up, learn the keyboard shortcuts. Hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows. Then press a letter. Option or Alt plus A aligns left. D aligns right. W aligns top, and S aligns bottom. For centering, Option or Alt plus H aligns horizontal centers. And Option or Alt plus V aligns vertical centers. A quick memory tip: W, A, S, and D map to up, left, down, and right, while H and V stand for horizontal and vertical centers. These shortcuts let you keep your hands on the keyboard and align with confidence. When you've got several mismatched objects that need tidying, select them all and use Smart Selection's Tidy Up feature. In the Selection menu, click the Tidy Up icon that looks like a small grid. Instantly, Figma will distribute the spacing evenly and align the items into a neat row or column, depending on how they're currently arranged. This is perfect for cleaning up messy button groups, icon sets, or card layouts in one click, without manually measuring gaps. For layouts that need to stay aligned as they grow or change, use Auto Layout. With multiple layers selected, press Shift plus A. Figma wraps them in an auto layout frame that automatically aligns and distributes its child elements as you add, remove, or resize items inside. They maintain consistent spacing and alignment, so lists, menus, and form fields stay organized as your design evolves. Practice these tools together: panel icons for precision, shortcuts for speed, Tidy Up for instant cleanup, and auto layout for flexible structures. And your files will look polished with far less effort. Thanks for watching.